Hi there everyone! You all know how much I love cheesecakes, and anything apple is definitely a must for me too. Today I'm merging my two favourites into delicious mini apple crumble baked cheesecakes. Time to get started. First off is an easy crumble mix, so we're going to mix plain flour, porridge oats, cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg and light brown sugar together. You can also use white granulated sugar if you have that either. Give everything a good mix, add the melted butter and mix it in. Pop into the fridge to chill. Next up is the cheesecake base. I'm using a crushed up digestive biscuit. You can also use graham crackers. Add in the melted butter and mix to combine. A real easy way to crush up the biscuits is to pop them into a bowl and then using the bottom of a glass crush them, or you can pop them into a food processor, whichever is the easiest for you. Split the crumb mixture evenly between 12 cupcake cases and press the biscuit crumb down so that's nice and smooth. Set to one side while we prepare the apples. I'm using 2 large eating apples which I've diced small. Into this add the lemon juice, corn flour or corn starch, cinnamon and a little light brown sugar. Give everything a good mix until all the flavours are combined. Now we can get started on the cheesecake filling. Use cream cheese or mascarpone cheese or a combination of both. Mix until soft, and while mixing add the caster sugar. Next up is the eggs, and we're going to add these one at a time while beating. To flavour add vanilla extract, and we're going to add some lemon juice as well, and this would give the mixture a thicker texture. Add plain flour, and when fully mixed in we can spoon in the sour cream. You can also use full fat Greek yogurt either. The sour cream balances the sweetness really well, it softens the cream cheese and it adds moisture without thinning the mixture. Mix one final time and it's ready. Using a quarter size measuring spoon or an ice cream scoop, split the cream cheese filling evenly and pour on top of the biscuit base. Add the apple filling and press it down slightly. I use a full dessert spoon of apple for each cheesecake. Finally add the crumble mix to the top and divide it out evenly over the 12 cheesecakes. If you love apple crumble like me, check out my apple and caramel crumble video tutorial. You won't be disappointed. These need to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. When baked, they'll be a lovely golden colour. Just look at that crumble top. The crumble is perfect. These need to chill for at least 5 hours. When chilled, peel off all the cupcake cases and just look how easy the cupcake cases come off. Decorate with a drizzle of salted caramel sauce and top with some freshly whipped cream. If you want to make this salted caramel sauce, then check out my video tutorial on this channel. These mini apple crumble cheesecakes are divine and they would be fab for any occasion. I've lots of other lovely baked and no-bake cheesecakes on my channel, so why not check them out? All that's left to be done is to cut into one of these cheesecakes. Wait till you see the inside. Perfect and so scrummy. Don't forget to subscribe or follow my page so you don't miss out on my easy to follow tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and see you later in the week for another Scrummy video. Happy baking everyone! Enjoy!